Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how can you make unstructured folders and files for teaching in a systematic way. This is the process in which you can make your videos in a systematic way for any YouTube or for any LMS. Creating structured teaching videos in a systematic way involves proper planning, organization and content management. Here's a step and step-by-step guide to help you organize your videos, folders and files effectively. Number 1 is plan your content. Define the curriculum. Break the syllabus into smaller manageable topics or chapters. Set learning objectives. Clearly define what the learner should achieve after watching the video. Create a video script. Prepare detailed scripts or key points to follow during recording. Number 2, organize your resources. Folder structure. Create a main folder for the subject or course. Subdivide into topic specific folders. For example, class 10 science main folder, and after that physics are another folder, and in physics you can set it as chapter 1 motion, chapter 2 force and notes also. In chemistry chapter you can find that chapter 1 is atoms, number 2 is chemical reactions and notes also. In biology chapter 1 is cell, now chapter 2 is nutrition, and then there is notes also. File naming convention. Use clear and consistent names. Example, class 10 physics, chapter 1 motion, MP4 videos. Record your videos. Use presentation slides. Structure the slides to match the script. Include title slide, topic name, overview slide, objectives, explanation slides, concepts with diagrams or animations, summary slide, questions or activity slides. Tools for recording. Screen recording, OBS Studio, Camtasia or Bandicam. Presentation tools, PowerPoint or Canva for creating slides. Editing software, Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve or Filmora. Add supplementary materials, PDF notes, provide a PDF version of the lesson or notes. Practice problems, include solved examples and exercises in the folders. Quizzes and worksheets, prepare and include assessment files, Word or PDF version. Review and enhance. Watch your videos to ensure clarity and flow. Add subtitles or captions if needed for accessibility. Upload systematically for YouTube or LMS. Create playlist. Organize playlist for each subject or chapter. Example, playlist for class 10 science physics. Descriptions. Add detailed descriptions and links to resources. Thumbnails. Create visually appealing thumbnails for each video. Maintain version control. Keep backups for your content. Use a cloud service like Google Drive, OneDrive or Dropbox for accessibility. Monitor and refine. Collect feedback from students and viewers. Update videos and files based on curriculum changes or feedback. This structured approach will ensure your teaching videos and resources are well organized, easy to access, aligned with your goals. Would you like help setting up folders for your upcoming CBSE Class 10 Science course? Now I am going to show you how you can structure this one. I am going to make these, how to give these structures in a better way. How to make the folders. This is the main folder of physics class 10 science, and it will be divided into 3 folders, that is physics, chemistry and biology, and after that chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, like that. Now I am going to show you how you can make this type of structured topic and specific folders. For that, what we do, let us make any folder first. This is the structured way to make a proper structure. Suppose this is a new folder. Name of the folder is class 10 science. First of all, write the name, that is class 10 science. Class 10 science. This is the name of the folder, that it is class 10 science. If you open the folder, this is class 10 science folder, and in this folder you can make another folder also, right? For example, you are making a new folder here, and the name of the folder is physics. You see, this is a new folder, and in this new folder you can name it as another thing, right? Name of the folder is physics. Right? First folder is physics. And if you make another folder, and the second folder you can make another folder, and this is a folder of chemistry. Right? This is another folder, and this is the folder of chemistry. This is second folder is chemistry. And if you try to make another folder, right? And for another folder, make another folder. For new folder, go to new folder and make another folder also, and name it as biology. In this way, you can make in a structured way, right? You see, there are three folders. One is chemistry, biology, and physics. And the main folder is class 10 science, right? After that, what you'll do, you have to divide the chapters into different lessons, right? Suppose you are going to for chemistry. This is the class 10 science, and this is chemistry. In chemistry also you can make folders, right? Like we are making folders here. You see here,